Lockdown manungda mahiroi singi oina kanagadaba e-video www.lyric.net/www.lyric.net ngasi Education Minister TH Radeshyamna launch tokray. Education Department na matam pumbada miyamgi afaba suggestion pibirau haina Education Minister TH Radeshyamna fongdokray. Delhi da pantuna leiriba Manipuri sing lokthokpagi process Mei tang 19 gi matungdagi hauragani haina Manipur Bhavan gi Residential Commissioner PK Singh na fongdorakli. Train pass ki final list adu tengbang da register tawrakpa singdudagi Delhi government da khusinaraga selection process tawrakadabani haina PK Singh gi maikaidagi thamlakli. Manipur lenga ki mityeng makhada chalairiba quarantine center singda human rights khongaung nabagi chauna mami tare athobada Manipur Human Rights Commission na mityeng changlagani haina Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC gi chairperson Khaidem Mani na fongdokrai. Technopole District ki Lamlong Khulen gi Khunja Singna khul aduda hauzaba mahi marong sing khul asigi village level federation gi meeting makhada ngasi lamfelda leiba United Committee Manipur gi thomi singda khusina krai UCM gi maikaidigi pirakliba mana masing sing mafam chaba mafam singda khusinaragani fongdokhi. International Human Rights Manipur na sinduna ngasi Technopole District ki Khudeng Thabi village da COVID-19 ga mari leinana Chingtam ani gi nungsinaba mari da Khudeng Thabi amadi Langkhong Ching village ki Kunja singda chana thangnaba polam sing lanabagi thorama mapangthokrai. Muslim Ichininaw Singi Senglaba Ramjan Thaga Mari Lainana Khangabo Kendra gi manung chana leiba Sangai Yungfam Khungangi Masjid Khudingda Bharatiya Janata Party gi Karyakata amasu oriba Khundrakpam Manager Mangangna ngamjaba athum ahau sing iftar gi dama khudol tamkhrai.